Oh, 2019 Heritage. That C trailer down here.
Traveling Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Khrome Werks, Red Line Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll.
We about to ride, we about to ride. It is a beautiful day today, and I'm here in Daytona Beach Bike Week. I'm here with my family. I'm in front of Khrome Werks, and I will be getting some new sound to the Road Glide, guys. The Road Glide has been stock. You know, I ain't leaving nothing stock. But this Road Glide here, it's going to be somewhat stock-ish. You know, I ain't leaving nothing stock. So I had to come to Khrome Werks and get it done, right? So let's go over here. Let's get one more look at it before we get it done. You might recognize my sister right there. My brother-in-law, Leonard. That's Chris on my sister's bike. Quiet as kept, can't tell you what we're gonna do to that. Let me give you a sneak peek of what's going on right here. Real quick. There it is. There it is. Then stock things about to get taken off of there, and something else about to get put on. So, hey, we're gonna get out of their way. There's Chris right there on my sister's bike. We're gonna get out of their way. We'll be back in a little bit, guys. Let you hear what these Khrome Werks gonna sound like. The best exhaust in the business. Nothing like them. Chris, we'll be back, man. Guys, we're on our way back to Khrome Werks. How you doing? We're on our way back to Khrome Werks now to go see what it sounds like. You know, we had to get the Khrome Werks exhaust. Loud pipe saved life, that's what I believe. Riding that motorcycle, it only has like 50 miles on it, but I had to change it out. Had to get that Khrome Werks Thunder done to it, you know what I mean? We're going to see what's done. There's actually been something else done too from it, so I'm gonna be there in just a minute. Almost there. Almost there. Daytona's always a good time. Good to see people here. Khrome Werks right there. How you doing? All right, guys, so I walked back over to Khrome Werks. They are putting the exhaust on now. I think I got like 50 miles on this Road Glide right now. Now, you probably haven't seen it because I know I haven't posted a video. See the headlight, see all this stuff that I got done. The lowers, the speakers. See, they are white running lights now. Let's turn it all the way around to the back. Tail lights, run, brake, turn. There's smoke lenses. The antenna delete, so I got the plugs now. And the bag lights. First, let me show you what it looks like too. Let me give you a quick look of it. The lowers look so good on this bike. I wish I had a Hertz logo there, but you see it says SPL right there, Hertz. On the inner grill, on the grill right here. So we're coming up on the 250 foot mark. That's a long way. That bike is getting tiny. Yeah. Yes, sir. Check this out. Screaming Eagle Performance, and look at this, Öhlins suspension. So the Street Glide, the Road Glide will have an Öhlins upgraded suspension to the back. This is going to be so much. This is going to be so much better than this. I can't wait. I have Öhlins on my Street Glide, and now I have Öhlins on this Road Glide. Is it going to be? Let's go back outside. Is it going to be like the Street Glide? No, it's going to be stock-ish, somewhat stock. And this is what I haven't showed you. He put the bar. Hey, how you doing? He put the bars on it now. And you see the Khrome Werks exhaust, the best in the business. I can't wait to start it up, hear what it sounds like. So we're going to be hearing it in just a minute. So guys, they just fit me up with the bars. I know all that music playing, so you can't hear what I'm saying, but they got me fit with the bars. And I think it looks good. I got the mirrors dropped down underneath because, you know, I don't like the mirrors up tall. Yeah, so it's gonna look good. Tim's getting new exhaust, so we're gonna go look at all that in a minute. We'll probably won't show you here because it's kind of loud. We'll show you somewhere else when we get back somewhere. Hey, you got goggles? Yeah. Put her goggles on. Let's see the goggles. Is she a Harley dog? Hey, he has the right setup. He got a nice street glide. Oh, he got an Ultra. Yeah. Let's see. Where does she ride?
She rides with me here. Oh, I got a little
Oh, pet palace thing.
a harness.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Let's see. Look at that. Look at that.
Sit.
You ready to ride? That's cool. Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube. All right, man.
Excellent.
I'll see you.
Come on now.
You saw you won 6 hours. What do you ride?
I rode a Road Glide for 10 years. I'm on Gold Wing now.
That's why he's 6'4" now, because he's on that Gold Wing. When you ride a Glide, you stand that much taller. When you ride a Gold Wing, you just kind of droop. You got to slump over. We're gonna get you back on the Harley.
Won't take long.
Won't take long. Okay, all right. Hey, thanks for watching. Even though you got that Georgia Bulldogs hat on.
I ride a Gold Wing too.
You ride a Gold Wing? Man, you just got bad taste. Georgia and a Gold Wing?
I'm old and retired. It's all I traded in on Harley for the Gold Wing.
I'm
Glad to see you bought the Road Glide.
I'm just teasing with y'all Gold Wing guys, though. But I would like to see you back on the Harley again.
You don't have
It's gonna happen. Get him back on it too.
Very good, bud.
All right, y'all have a good day. Thank you. Hey guys, so we got them done. So what we have done to my sister's bike, her 2018 Heritage, 2019 Heritage, that she trailered down here.
What? I rode.
Now she rode, she did. So what is wrong with this picture? That's my sister out there riding, and I'm in the truck. Something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong, guys. Listen, I'm down to Daytona, but I ain't gonna be in the truck for long. I'm about to get on one of these glides and get riding. So, yeah, I am proud of her though. She's out here doing her thing. Rode down to Daytona, and I'm in the truck. Don't know what that's about. Not quite ground pounding, but she's pretty close to it. But anyway, check it out. Look at that thing. Looking good. Got the Khrome Werks exhaust on it. All right, Kim, let us hear them. Let's see what they sound like. Yes, they sound really good. The thing is, you won't be able to really hear it from the camera, but they sound great. So Khrome Werks got you covered on glides, street glides, road glides, electric glides, whatever. And they got you covered on soft tails too. Good looking right there. You happy with it?
Happy with it.
We also got something on Leonard's bike. Got some Khrome Werks. We don't have them installed yet. Khrome Werks bars. But they're right there. They're gonna be going on. Might be a project for me and you.
Might be.
Maybe. Leonard already have Khrome Werks exhaust. Now for this other bike, not the Street Glide, not the Road King, the other bike. Yeah, I gotta figure out a name for it. Let me show you this. You see that? The new Khrome Werks bars. Guys, I went with 12-inch bars, dropped them mirrors down there under the underneath the bars because I like it that way. And you see those Khrome Werks exhausts that I just put on here, that I had put on here. So the whole thing is looking nice with the Khrome Werks. Guys, Khrome Werks got you covered. Bars, exhausts, whatever you need, they got you covered. Hold on, let me let you hear what it sounds like. Oh, and the hand grips to match. Check it out. Khrome Werks. Khrome Werks. Let me show you this. Here we go. Leonard, will you hold this back here? Yeah. Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing? In a minute. Good to see you again. Now, all I did was just slip-ons because you know what's coming soon. But the slip-ons make it sound that much better. All right, let's go. So it sounds deeper. It has that sound that I like. It ain't hitting like that 128 that I got. but it's way better than stock. I believe that loud pipes really do save lives. You need to make sure that you're being heard. Now I got the Khrome Werks exhaust, and not to mention 4.5. Come on, them things look good. Check it out. Show them close up. Yes, sir. Khrome Werks. This is Caleb from Khrome Werks. It is the best exhaust that you can find out there on the market today. Khrome Werks. They got the best chrome finish. I went to the factory. Y'all make sure y'all check out the video where I toured the factory. Well, there's somebody looking at the bars now. See, they're checking it out. They're checking it out. Guys, again, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you're anywhere near Daytona next year or in October, come see Khrome Werks. Come see Kayla.
That's
all
right. We're doing free installs with purchase of exhausts and slip-ons, and we have a deal on bars, so come on in.
Guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Check out KhromeWerks.com. Khrome spelled with a K, Werks spelled with an E. Keep gliding. As always, have a blessed day. Thank you, Kayla.
Thanks, Tom.
I'll see you.
Appreciate it.